Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a broken trunk on Volkswagen Golf Mk4 Jetta Bora Variant in few simple steps. So if you open the car from the car key, you can see that the trunk doesn't open from the handle. So we have to pull on that cable, that improvised cable, to lift it up. So let's see what is wrong with the trunk mechanism. So to reach it, we have to open the trunk lid and remove the carpet lining. There are two T20 Torx bit bolts which are located inside those two handles, but one of the bolt has been replaced with the one with that you can remove with a Phillips screwdriver, but usually there's two T20 Torx bolts. So we will use a T20 Torx bit for the first one, and then we will use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the second one. After that, you just have to pull on that carpet lining to remove it from the clips. And now you can see the mechanism. So start with checking these parts first: actuator, trunk latch mechanism, trunk lock cylinder, trunk latch, boot handle and also the micro switch from the boot handle, and also the cables from the rubber boot. Once the carpet lining is off, you can see the latch mechanism. The problem is with that actuator that doesn't work. It has an arm that comes out and pushes that plastic piece to open the latch. There is that white plastic part is the actuator, and he has that arm that it should come out, but it doesn't work. So the owner replaced that rod with an improvised cable to open the trunk manually. You can find all the parts from the trunk in the video description below. So you can see now when I lock the latch and I pull this cable, the latch will open. So the cable is making the whole work for the actuator that is broken. So I need to replace the actuator to open the trunk from the handle. The actuator has an arm that is coming out and it's coming back in the actuator after 3-4 seconds when you pull the handle to open the trunk. You can see the rod, it's connected to the latch. So when you pull that cable, the latch will open. So before that improvised cable, it was a rod between the door lock cylinder and the trunk latch mechanism. There it is. So the owner replaced that arm with that cable. So this arm, it's working with when you open the car manually with your car key, using your key blade. So the cable it's using, probably because the door lock cylinder isn't working, that's why the owner has replaced that arm with the cable. to remove the actuator, you just have to remove those 3 nuts using a 10mm socket. So first disconnect the cable and take the rod out from the trunk latch, pulling it down. Then remove that arm, pulling it down to remove it from the latch. And after that you just have to remove those 3 nuts using a 10mm socket and remove the actuator along with the assembly. Then to remove it from the assembly, you just have to remove those 2 bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. So this is the actuator removed from the trunk, but you can find a new one in the video description below. Check also the wires from the handle micro switch to see if they are broken. There it is. There's 2 harnesses over there. You have to check it. You have to check it out. Also, you can check the cables from the rubber boot to see if they are broken. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about Volkswagen Golf Mk4, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.